Hello students, see we are discussing class 12th related or chapter 4th determinants, and we are doing exercise 4.6 question 15 up to 14 question we have done yesterday. See, in question 15 a is equal to 2 minus 3 5 3 2 minus 4 and 1 1 minus 2. Find a inverse. Using a inverse, solve 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to 11, 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 5, and x plus y minus 2z is equal to minus 3. So it is well clear from here that this a is shown by the coefficients of x, y, z from all the three equations. It is 2 minus 3 5, 2 minus 3 5. See, 3 2 minus 4, 3 2 minus 4, and here it is 1 1 minus 2, 1 1 minus 2. So now we can say that a x is equal to b, because if we multiply here where x is equal to what, x is equal to x y z, and b is equal to what, you know it very well. What is the value of b? 11 minus 5 and minus 3, 11 minus 5 and minus 3. So what is needed here? Here if it is ax is equal to b, a is mentioned here, that is shown in the question already here. So we can say that x is equal to a inverse b. So for finding a inverse b, determinant a is necessary. So that's why we are finding out determinant a. Determinant a is equal to determinant 2 minus 3 5, and here it is 3 2 minus 4 and then 1 1 minus 2. So if we find the determinant of this complete, then determinant a is equal to 2 into minus 4 plus 4. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, and then minus plus 4, 1 4th of 4. So this will be cancelled. Minus plus 3. Here it is minus actually, but this minus and that minus will become plus. So 3 into means column 2 and row first eliminated. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, and then 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. Minus plus. Plus 5 into what is required here? First row and third column will be eliminated. So 3 1 the 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. So determinant a is equal to what? Determinant a is equal to 0. Here 2 into 0. That's why it is 0. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 6 it will be. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. And 5 1 the 5. Plus 5. So determinant a is equal to minus 1. It is well clear from here that determinant a is equal to what? It is minus 1. Now C11 we are finding. C11 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1. What it is? C11. In C11 we have to eliminate first row and first column. So 2 minus 4 and 1 minus 2. 2 minus 4 and 1 minus 2. So it will be positive 1 because power is 1 plus 1 is 2, which is even number. So minus 1 raised to the power even number is plus 1 only, and 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 and then plus 4. So it will be 0. Now C12. C12 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2. C12 means what? First row and second column will be eliminated. First row and second column. So 3 minus 4 and 1 minus 2. 3 minus 4 and 1 minus 2. So it will be equal to minus 1 here, because here it is minus 1 raised to the power 3. 3 is odd number. So that's why minus 1 will be there. And 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. And minus plus 4 1 are 4. So minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Now C13. Minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3. And then first row, third column will be eliminated. First row and third column will be eliminated. So 3 2 1 1. 3 2 1 1 in determinant. So after solving this we will get 1, because it is odd even number. 1 plus 3 is 4. Minus 1 raised to the power 4 is plus 1. And then 3 1 the 3 minus 2. That is 1 into 1 is 1. Now C21, it is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1. And then second row, first column will be eliminated. Second row and first column will be eliminated. Minus 3 5 and 1 minus 2. Minus 3 5 and 1 minus 2. So it will be equal to negative 1. Here it is, because 2 plus 1 is 3, which is odd number. Minus 1 raised to the power odd number means minus 1 will be there. And then minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Minus 5 on the 5. So it will be minus 1. Now C23, C22, it is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2 means second row and second column will be eliminated. So if second row and second column will be eliminated, remaining elements are 2, 5 and 1 minus 2. 2, 5 and 1 minus 2. So after solving this, we will get positive 1 here because 2 plus 2 is 4, which is even number. So minus 1 raised to the power 4 is equal to 1. And then 2 minus 2 when multiplied, then it will become minus 4 and minus 5. So it will be negative 9. 1 into 5 is 5. So minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. Now C23. C23 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3. And then in determinant what will be there? Second row, third column will be eliminated. So 2 minus 3 and 1, 1. 2 minus 3 and 1, 1. Here it is minus 1. Of course it is minus 1 because minus 1 raised to the power 5, which is odd number. That's why it is minus 1. And 2 on the 2, minus minus plus 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5, so it will become minus 5. Now C31. C31 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 1. That will be equal to what? Third row, first column will be eliminated. Minus 3, 5 and 2 minus 4. Minus 3, 5 and 2 minus 4 we have to solve in determinant. So it will become positive 1 because 3 plus 1 is 4, which is even number. So 3 minus 3 into minus 4 is 12, positive 12, minus 10, 5 to the 10. So it will be 2 only. Now C32. C32 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 2. Now what we have to solve? 3, 2 means third row, second column. Third row, second column will be eliminated. 2, 5 and 3 minus 4. 2, 5 and 3 minus 4. So it will be equal to minus 1 and in bracket 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 8, minus 15, minus 23. So minus 23 into minus 1 plus 23. Now C33, that is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3. Then third row and third column will be eliminated. Third row, third column will be eliminated. Remaining elements are 2 minus 3, 3, 2. 2 minus 3 and 3, 2. So it will be equal to what? Positive 1 it is. Minus 1 raised to the power even number. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now 2 to the 4 plus 3 to the 9. 4 plus 9 here it is because minus into minus will become plus. So it will be 30. Now let us find out adjoint of A. First of all C. C is equal to C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23 and C31, C32 and C33. So it will be equal to what? Let us find out what are these values. See 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 will be here. And then minus 1, minus 9, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 9, minus 5. And here it is 2, 23, 13. 2, 23, 13. So now finally adjoint of A is equal to what? Adjoint of A is equal to C dash means transpose of C. That will be equal to 0 to 1 will be here. Now minus 1, minus 9, minus 5 will be in second column and in third column it will be 2, 23 and 13. As we know, all the rows are written in the columns in transpose. So these rows are written in column for finding out transpose. Not A inverse. A inverse equals to adjoint of A upon determinant A. Adjoint of A upon determinant A. Where? What is the value of determinant A? Here it is minus 1. So we can say that directly all the values are as it is, but only signs will be changed, as in denominator it is having minus 1. So that's why all the signs will be changed. That is 0, 1, minus 2. Now minus 2, 9 and minus 23. And here it is minus 1, 5 and minus 13. So this is A inverse value. Now X is equal to what? A inverse B. That is equal to 0, 1, minus 2, 9, minus 23 and minus 1, 5 and minus 30 into value of B is what? It is 11 minus 5 minus 3. 11 minus 5 and minus 3. Now let us solve it. On multiplying it, what we will get? Here it is x, y, z, of course. X, y and z. Because value of x is what? X, y, z. It is equal to, I am multiplying here. 0 into 11 is 0. Plus 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. And minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. Now, minus 2 into 11 is minus 22. Now, 9 into minus 5 is minus 45. And then minus into minus will become plus. 3 3 are 9 and 3 2 are 6. 69 it will be. Now, minus 1 into 11 is minus 11. Then, plus 5 into minus 5 is minus 25. And then minus 13 into minus 3 is plus 39. So, x is equal to what? X is equal to, see, 6 minus 5, it is 1. And y is equal to what? Y is equal to 69 minus 40 and 20, 60, 67. 69 minus 67 means y is equal to 2. And z is equal to what? See, 39 and here it is minus 36. 39 minus 36 because 25 and 11 is 36 minus 36 because both are negative. So 39 minus 36 means z is equal to 3. So these are the answers or values of x, y and z respectively. Let us check our answer is correct or not. See, if I am putting value of x, y, z here, 2 1 are 2 and 3 2 are 6. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. And plus 15. 5 3 are 15. 15 minus 4, that is 11. Means our answer is correct. So this is the solution for our question 15. And thanks a lot for watching our channel. Please do like it, subscribe it and share it.